Hello friends, welcome to Trend Tech Guide. Today I'll show you how to turn off notification on our Facebook app. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I am here in my phone screen. Now to stop notification on Facebook, first of all tap on Facebook app for a while and after that tap on this app info. After this, over here you can see here is app notifications. Just tap on this and over here you can see this notification is turned on. Now to turn off this, just tap on the slider over here and now you can see this app's notification are blocked. That means we have successfully blocked notification from Facebook app. So in this way we can block notification on Facebook app. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.